Hello everyone, how are you? Today's video is gonna be a day in the life of me, a sewing blogger and YouTuber now. I was looking at my list of things that I need to do today, and there was quite a lot that I needed to do, and quite lots of blogging, Instagramming, YouTubey stuff to do with sewing and my sewing channels. So I thought I'll just also alongside film it, and then it'll be a nice day in the life of me, which might be quite interesting to some people. So that's what I'm going to do today. It is around 10:30 and I've just done my hair and makeup for the day. I'm still in my pyjamas, so I'm going to get dressed in a minute. Yeah, so I'll tell you what I've got to do today. First up, I've got a few Instagram stories to do. So I've just laid out the products on my table here to film that Instagram story for Fabricland. I work with Fabricland like on a monthly basis. I choose the products that I want to use from the website and they will send it to me. It's related to my Instagram, not my YouTube, and then I'll share over my Instagram what I've been making with their fabrics, which has been working out really well. I've probably done that for almost a year. It started, they sponsored my fashion design final collection for my degree. So a lot of my garments were made out of their fabric, and it's sort of just rolled on since I graduated. So I've got out the stuff here. There we go, I've just turned you around. So I've got all the stuff out here that I need to film the Instagram story. So I think I'm going to do that before I get changed. So I've got some fabric here. I also always include on my Instagram my design sketches. So if you're interested in what I'm making and the sketches, always look on Instagram. And then this is a kit that I'm going to do this month as well, for the March. So I'm just going to film that. I need to photograph all this as well for more content for the Instagram, but I think I'm just going to do the stories first, so I'll get back after I've done that. Right, so stories are done, so now I'm going to get changed, and then I've got two YouTube videos that I need to film today, where I want to again talk about, I've got some more fabrics that I've ordered myself, so I'm going to do like a fabric haul, and then what I'm going to make video, which is quite exciting. And then I've also, while I've got the tripod and my camera set up and stuff, I want to film a how to sew straight video, like a tutorial. Yeah, it's been quite popular over my blog. I've got quite a few thousand views on that, so I thought YouTube might like that as well. So that's on the list to do. I'm going to do that next, I think. On a Wednesday, I always post a new blog post. So I need to put that live this afternoon as well. I've got it all ready and scheduled, but I just need to hit live and then do the promotion stuff for that over Instagram, Facebook, my pages, all those sort of things. So that's also on the list to do, but first I'm gonna get changed. Right, so I've got changed. I put a red lip on just because I feel being fancy, to be honest. And I'm just setting up my videos with my tripod and my ring light. My ring light was from Amazon. It was, I think, around £30, I think. I didn't want to spend a huge amount at all, but I just needed something to, you know, to have a bit of light when because it's winter time at the minute. Yeah, and it does the job really well. Yeah, so I'll just show you my filming setup and then I will start filming. This is my filming setup at the minute with my ring light. And this is just my background, my door, and then I have everything down here that I'm going to talk about in my fabric haul, the gifted stuff, and then this fabric I just unboxed over on my Instagram, and it became so sweet. It was really nice. So yes, so that's my setup. Right, so I've just filmed my first video of the day. I don't normally do multiple videos a day, but I just really feel like getting done, getting some like in the bank and ready, so I'm sort of ahead of the schedule. I always make sure I've got quite a few blog posts ready to go, like maybe a good like couple of months in advance. So I'm trying to get like that on YouTube really, so I've got them ready. Yeah, my first video just done was the fabric haul. So I think I'm gonna have a cup of tea, maybe some lunch, and then get ready to film my next video, which is sewing tips. I don't know what order these videos are going to go up on my YouTube channel, so if it's already there, I'll leave all these videos linked below, or a little card maybe. I'll see, you'll see. If I have, it will pop up now. Yes, that's my plan. And then once that second video is filmed, I think I'll just do my blog post and all that sort of stuff as well. The lighting isn't very great today. It's raining, it's a horrible day, so I'm thinking I'll see, maybe tomorrow I will do the photography stuff that I need to do. Yeah, because I got some Instagram photos to take photos of. Yeah. So a bit later on, had some lunch, had a cup of tea. I got changed in a different outfit, ready to sew my video with 7 tips of how to sew straight. So that's the next thing of the day. So I've just got my laptop and my notes set up, and my area. I need to move this fabric because it's sitting there. And I hate it when I iron it, wash it, iron it, all the fabric, and then just screw it up, and then I'm like, oh, why did I bother even ironing it? But I've hanged it up over the door, but I think it's probably going to be in the background of my, yeah, it might be. So I have to move that. So yeah, I got my ring light set up again, my sewing area, my filming area and my sewing area, that's upstairs. Yeah, to get filming. Right, so I've just finished my filming for today. So I've done my sewing tips video, that's all done. And now it is about 2 o'clock, half 2. So I've got this sewing mess here, because I've been sewing downstairs on my dining room table for a while. So I got to sort all this out. Yeah, but my next job is I'm gonna go and hit my blog post live and do the promotions stuff for that. I normally do anything on my laptop in my bed because I like to be comfortable and warm when it's not very nice weather. So yeah, I refer it to my soft office. Like, I had that on Louise Pentland and I was kept. I really like it. So I'm gonna go and do that now. I'm all comfy in my bed to do my computer blog work. I always write my blogs and do the writing in bed because I like to be comfortable. I had all my degree in dissertation and everything in bed. I know people don't always find that productive, but I think if I'm comfortable, I do much better work. So yeah, so I'll just show you what I use to do my blogs and stuff. So yeah, I use WordPress. So this is what it looks like. So I've got 11 drafts ready to go and 56 posts. Those are the posts that I've posted. And these are slow. I've got like sewing blocks, how to sew bunting, bookmarks. These are all coming up soon. I just need to check what I scheduled for today. Yeah. So today's blog post, I'll check my diary now I know what I'm going to be posting, is a kind of step-by-step guide of how I draped a dress that I made in university. So I'll give you a quick sneak peek and you can go, this is going to be live now, so I'll leave this blog post link below if you want to check it out. So before I hit live, I always just do a read through basically. So this is it, how I drape this dress, step-by-step guide to draping. And there's me, that's a few years ago with a lot shorter hair. And this is the dress I'm going to show you of how I draped it. So I just talk, it's more like pictures and a slight bit yeah, because this dress was made out of like maybe 4 sections of fabric, I think it was. So I'll show you how I draped it, what I used, the stages of draping, like how all the steps I took, and then how I transferred a draped garment into a final garment. So yes, I'm going to read through this again and post it. Set you up there here. Yeah, so I'll quickly talk through my steps that I'd have to take. I read through all my blog again just to check my spelling and grammar and everything like that, because I'm really paranoid about that because I'm dyslexic. So I read all through that. I hit post to that, make that live. And then as soon as I posted it, all my email subscribers will get an email saying that I've posted a new blog post and what that is, a little click-through link, so they'll get that. And then I just promote it over my Instagram page by normally putting them on stories, saying what blog post it is basically, and then I change my link in my bio to that new blog post. Yeah, and then throughout the day I'll have sort of images that relate to the blog post on my feed, so then people can see it on Instagram and then click through again. I also have like a Facebook page for my blog, so I tell everyone on there because everyone's all scattered around everywhere. I don't think many people follow me on all the platforms. So yeah, I do promo over on my Facebook page, links, and then on a few sewing groups and YouTube video groups. I put out that I've posted a new blog post as well for people to read. So I'd spend a little bit, maybe about half an hour, doing that process each Wednesday or Saturday. I always post on a Wednesday and sometimes I post on a Saturday, and YouTube is Sunday. So yes, that's my main job that I need to finish today. I've still got a few more jobs I really need to do, really, but I'm going to continue and do them tomorrow, I think, such as I've got to edit these YouTube videos I filmed today, ready for Sunday, and do the promo thumbnail, all those sort of things for that. I need to do my Instagram stories for my contract with Fabric Land that's gifted, which I showed earlier. Yeah, and sewing makes as well, and actually sewing, that's what I do. So I think tomorrow I'm going to do that and make sort of videos and reels and time lapses of me sewing. That's also on the list to do, but I think there's going to be more tomorrow. I always have a list by my bed. Or is it? Here you go. In my book of just a general lists of a general to-do list to do with my business and what I need to do with that to keep up and date that. I've got a list of blog posts to write, and then I normally have what day I'm going to be writing them if I'm feeling that organised. I just cross them through once I've done. I've got a Monday to-do list. It's now Wednesday, but I've done all that anyway. And then I just have a YouTube video to-do list which I cross through, and then just a list of ideas. Like, I'm not that organised. Look how messy this is, you know, and I have to write everything down. I can't do it electronically. It's a really cute notebook. So yeah, that's today. It's what I need to do now. The post has gone live, done all that, and all like the comments and stuff to it, to people reading it and stuff. My next job is to put up my Instagram stories, which was scheduled for today, doing that, and that is, I think, the end of the day. It's sort of like 3-4 o'clock now. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe, and I can always do another like more sewing in the life of a sewing blogger instead of all the admin-y filming stuff. Yes, let me know what you think. Yeah, and I'll see you again soon.